Hey there, Tech24 fans. Today we are taking a closer look at the Dyson V12 Detect Slim Origin Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. This yellow iron beauty is Dyson's lightest intelligent cordless vacuum yet. It's engineered to be ergonomic, effortless, and easy to use, making cleaning a breeze. Plus, it converts to a handheld vacuum for those hard-to-reach places like cars, stairs, and upholstery. But what really sets this vacuum apart is its advanced technology. It intelligently adapts power based on debris detected, and the LCD screen shows total picked-up particles on screen as you clean. It also displays power mode, maintenance alerts, and remaining run time to the second. With 30% more power and 60 minutes of run time, this vacuum can handle any mess. And with advanced whole machine filtration that traps 99% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, you can be confident that it's expelling cleaner air. The Dyson V12 comes with two advanced cleaner heads. The fluffy optic cleaner head, which reveals hidden dust and is gentle on hard floors, and the Matorber cleaner head, which deep cleans all floor types and detangles long hair and pet hair as you clean. And let's not forget the hair screw tool, which sucks up long hair and pet hair fast. Its anti-tangle conical brush bar removes long hair and pet hair from pet beds, car seats, stairs, and more. Made from strong materials selected for their durability and lightweight properties, the Dyson V12 comes with a 2-year warranty and lifetime Dyson support. So, if you're ready to upgrade your cleaning game, click the link in the description to get your hands on the Dyson V12 Detect Slim Origin Cordless Vacuum Cleaner today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome tech reviews and tips. Happy cleaning!